Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to my lovely students. How are you all? Well, I am fine and welcome back to your Islamiat class. Today we are having day 1, week 16. And you know very well on every day 1 of every week, we always have something related to memorization and translation. Today I came with a very amazing topic, a wonderful and a profitable recitation. I am talking about Durood Sharif, Durood Ibrahimi. Yes, I'm talking about that Durood which we have to send to our Prophet and we have to get 10 blessings in one time. Because Allah's Rasul gets happy when we send Durood to him. Durood Sharif is a big and long, but it has many benefits. Whoever recites Durood Sharif one time, Allah Ta'ala bless him 10 more times. Huzur Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam gets happy and Allah Ta'ala gets happy with us. Let me play the video for you of Durood Ibrahimi, then we will do this from our book. Yes, then we will do this from our book. You can watch this video only 2 times.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
So class, this was Durood Sharif, Durood Ibrahimi. We are going to read Durood Ibrahimi from our book and I will tell you the translation of it. You have to learn the translation and also the Arabic. Durood Ibrahimi. Let us start our lesson. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin. O Lord, shower your mercies on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa ala ali Muhammadin, and on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam children. Kama sallaita ala Ibrahima, just as you showered your mercies on Ibrahim. Innaka Hamidum Majid, and Ibrahim's children. Surely you are the praised and the wise one. We are going to read this. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. O Lord, shower your mercies on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam children. Kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim, just as you showered your mercies on Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ibrahim alayhi salam's children. Innaka Hamidum Majid. Surely you are the praised and the wise one. Surely you are the praised and the wise one. So, children, you have come to know that in this durood we are requesting Allah Ta'ala that please show mercies on Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam children. Like we are related to Hazrat Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and because was related to Hazrat Ibrahim Alayhi Salam. So in this durood, we always request Allah to shower His blessings on us, like the way He has showered His blessings on the family of Hazrat Ibrahim when he left his son and wife in the mountain of Kuwait Safa. So this is why we are saying Allah Ta'ala to shower His blessings on us and our children. Then Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin. O Lord, shower your blessings on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's children. Kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Just as you showered your blessings on Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ibrahim alayhi salam's children. Wa innaka Hamidum Majid. Surely you are the praised and the wise one. In everything of Quran or in everything of memorization, we always praise Allah Ta'ala. We always praise Hazrat Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We always obey Allah Ta'ala. We always obey Hazrat Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So in this also, we are saying Allah Ta'ala to shower His blessings on Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's children, just like you have showered your blessings on Ibrahim Alayhi Salam and his children. Solely you are the praised and the wise one. We always have to tell that Allah Ta'ala is Hamid, Allah Ta'ala is Majid. We say this whenever we speak the name of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We say, whenever we say, I have told you, whenever we have to talk about Hazrat Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, we have to say this durood. Because Allah tells us to say durood for our Prophet. Yes, Allah Ta'ala gets happy. Whoever sends the durood, whoever says this durood again and again to our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So I am going to read it last time, and we will have a practice. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. O Lord, shower your blessings on Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's children. Just as you have showered the blessings on Prophet Ibrahim Alayhi Salam children and Prophet Ibrahim Alayhi Salam. Surely you are the praised and the wise one. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. O Lord, shower your blessings on Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and on Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's children, just as you showered your blessings on Ibrahim Alayhi Salam and Ibrahim Alayhi Salam's children. Surely you are the praised and the wise one. We always speak this whenever we say the name of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and because Allah has told us to send the root to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Let us do the activity. I'm going to write some words on the board. You have to circle them. So the first word is SHOWER, shower. MERCIES, mercies. Then praise, PRAISED, PRAISED. Muhammad, MUHAMMAD. Ibrahim, IBRAHIM, Ibrahim. And children, CHILDREN, children. Surely, SHURELY. Durood Ibrahimi is our durood. We have to recite on Hazrat Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We have to say it whenever we are talking about the name of Hazrat Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Whenever we say his name, we have to say this durood. And we have to say, and shower means that Allah Ta'ala is giving us more and more blessings. And He is the praised one, He is the wise one. He is sending mercies to Hazrat Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Ibrahim Alayhi Salam's children and on him. So we are begging to Allah that please shower His blessings on us and Hazrat Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's children. Like we are Ummati, we are Ummah of Holy Prophet. It is our moral duty to it is our moral duty to say this Durood every time. So children, you just have to read this Durood Sharif again and again, and please learn its Arabic version as well as memorize its Arabic and English version too. This is all for today. Inshallah, I'll be meeting with you. Maybe not for second day because generosity chapter is done in the previous week. Please watch the video of generosity and complete your work. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz class.